What is up, guys? This is Six here from Magnet Crypto, and welcome to another video. So today's going to be part of a tutorial in terms of understanding kind of what we call technical analysis, which is the ability to analyze the price of a certain stock, share, currency, or cryptocurrency. And this will help you to independently on your own analyze the price of a certain, as I said, stock, share, etc., instead of looking at maybe just the price on Google or any price website. So it kind of gives you a little bit more power. So let's begin. So first of all, the website that everyone uses to analyze price and do technical analysis, which is sometimes called TA, or actually a lot of times called TA, and this website is called TradingView. So you can either type in tradingview.com or you can just Google TradingView and it will take you to this website. So firstly, it will tell you to you don't have to, you should probably create your own account, because then you can save your kind of chart analysis so you can look at it again in future. And it's completely free. You don't have to pay for it. It's no subscription. It will tell you to. I've already created an account, obviously, but I will just tell you to sign up. Just put in some details. Simple. So the first thing I'll probably tell you is something which is called a ticker symbol, and a ticker symbol is a abbreviated, unique kind of code which relates to a stock or a currency or a cryptocurrency, and this just makes it easier to kind of identify it and then pair it with another currency, for example. So to give you an example of a ticker symbol, in the currency market, you've got obviously Great British Pound, you've got euros, you've got dollars. So Great British Pound, the ticker symbol for that is GBP. For dollar, for example, it's USD. And if you wanted to look at a chart which contains data about all the buys and sells between those pairs, you would look at GBP USD. So if you type that in here, GBP USD, you would get loads of different exchanges which have data pertaining to these pairs. So you can look at any of these pairs and then look at the chart for those pairs. Now obviously, as I'm a cryptocurrency investor, we're going to talk about cryptocurrencies. So the tick symbol, for example, for Bitcoin is BTC, and as a lot of times you would look at it or kind of analyze the data compared to dollars. So when a Bitcoin gets sold into dollars, or when dollars gets converted in Bitcoin, that's what you would see in those charts. So the pairing for that would be BTC USD. So that's what we're going to look at today as our example, to kind of teach you a little bit about TA. So what you would type in here is BTC USD, and today we're going to use the chart of Bitfinex, which is here. So once you click that, it will take you to this page, and this is just a quick snapshot of the data in this exchange. As I said, just showing you basic chart analysis here. So just recording this in post-production, I forgot to mention it's a useful tool for kind of searching for different ticker symbols if you don't know them already. But if you go to markets over here and scroll over to cryptocurrency, you can either click on one of the main cryptos, this is probably the top 10, or you can click on overview and it will take you and it'll give you more of a comprehensive list of, it will show you an overview of many cryptocurrencies that you can look at and check out the price data. So for example, if you clicked on Bitcoin, it would show you all the different pairings that Bitcoin has. So it's not just BTC USD that it's got pairing of, it's got like BTC to kind of pounds or to yen to dollars. It's got Bitcoin paired with other different cryptocurrencies because it is the main one. So if you click on various pairings, you can then go on and click onto the full featured chart. But you can go ahead and click on full featured chart so you can go ahead and look at the whole chart, and that will take you to this page here. So let's start by looking over here on the right. So this is my watch list. This is all the different pairs that I look at. A lot of them are obviously cryptocurrency related, but there are also some bank related, some to do with the stock market, etc, etc. So those you can save that, customize that so you can look at your own pairs. Below that we have the price of Bitcoin in dollars in real time. This is a 24-hour market, so it never closes. That's why it's constantly changing in price, because people are constantly buying and selling Bitcoin, raising and lowering the price. Here you can see the day range. So the lowest it was at was 6,400, and the highest it was at was 7,200, which is where it's at currently. So currently it's the highest point in today's range. Below it gives you some headlines pertaining to kind of the currency pair, which is BTC USD. So you can look at different articles that are coming out at the moment about Bitcoin. Now if we circle anti-clockwise over here, once you've created an account, it will allow you to save your chart, so any kind of analysis you do, or save for the future, which is fantastic. Over here you've got all these different, there's absolutely hundreds of indicators that you can use to help with your analysis. It'll calculate it for you, so you'd have to do it kind of yourself. Back in the old days when there was no PCs and computers, they had to actually write down like everything or get it from the newspaper and do their own calculations. Now all those calculations are kind of built into different kind of indicators, but that's for a different day. Over here you can, well, I'll skip this bit for now, and also this bit because we're going to explain it in just a second. Over here we have the drawing tool. So you can use different like drawing tools like trend lines, which are very useful for kind of analyzing price. You've got arrows, stuff like that. So for example, you can use it to help spot trends, whether it's an uptrend or downtrend, whether it's reached support levels, etc, etc. And these trends, there's quite a lot of very useful trends that we'll go into another day. On the bottom axis we have time, so all of this is historical data. They have not figured out kind of how to forecast into the future just yet, so it's either real time or historical data, and that's showing you here on the bottom. On the right side you have price in dollars. As this is paired with the dollar, you have the price in dollars here. So that's what you're seeing at the moment. If we actually delve into the chart here, so you can see there's loads of bars, and so what this is called is a candlestick, and a candlestick basically contains all the price data between these two pairs, Bitcoin and dollar, within one day. So all the times Bitcoin was bought from dollar, as in it's converted from dollar to pound to Bitcoin, and it's converted back from Bitcoin to dollars, and so that's called a candlestick. I'll show you a kind of a more clear example of what candlestick is, because obviously you have positive candlesticks and negative, or bullish and bearish. So bullish, which is green, mine looks black because I've changed it to black, but so green candlestick is, so let's say 1 day's worth of price data, all contained here. This is the start of the day and this is the end of the day. So it's closed over here and that's the end of the day. And so this is, because it's green, it's a bullish one, so it closed at the top here. And this is called the body. And the red one is a bearish, so it means it opened here today and closed at the bottom. Simple as that. Up, down, close at the bottom, close at the top. So that is what you're seeing. So currently it opened here and it's looking to close in a bullish momentum, so it could close around here. So as I said, I skipped this bit over here, so you can choose to see the price data in a candlestick, which is the most popular form. You can also choose to see in a line format, depending on kind of what you prefer. Most people prefer candlesticks. Also over here you have the time frame, so you can choose to see either, for example, days worth of price data, or if you want to go on a higher time frame, you can choose to see weeks worth of price data. So this candle would become 1 week's worth of price data from Monday to Sunday. Or you can either go higher and choose to see a month's worth of price data. And you can go up to, or as low as 4 hours or 1 hour, even up to down to 15 minutes. The reason you would choose to look at higher time frame is you would be able to spot trends on a larger level. So like a yearly trend, for example, you'd be able to spot that better on a monthly time frame. So this is 1 month's worth of price data. But if you wanted to kind of spot trends on a daily level, then you would go to the daily time frame. So now 1 bar equals 1 day's worth of price data. So this is better for day traders who want to kind of start their day, place their trades in the morning or something, spot trends and kind of exit maybe at the end of the day. Or if you're a long-term trader, then you would probably look at a weekly time frame or a monthly time frame. But for now, the most popular ones you'll probably use is daily and weekly. Okay, so now you understand what you're seeing in the chart, and that's what we're going to conclude on today. So you understand everything that you're seeing. Hopefully it's become a bit more clear and it isn't as confusing as when you start this video. And in the next video, we're going to actually look at using some tools to spot trends and actually analyze the price a bit more. So see you in the next video. Peace out.